It's Cyber Monday and we have some incredible Cyber Monday deals for you, including tech that we use every day, not just photography stuff. But first I want to cover our products, our Cyber Monday deals, because we have some really good ones. My favorite one is our Art and Science of Photography series. It's over 10 hours of video. It covers technical things like how to store your photos. I know a lot of people worry about deleting them. We talk about storage. We talk about the parts of the camera. We talk about hand-holding techniques, but also things like the 10 secrets of Ansel Adams, the composition of the masters. You'll truly be a well-rounded photographer. This is 40% off, or if you buy it as a part of our everything bundle, which is all of our books and this, you'll get 50% off of this. We also have our books on sale and we're signing them. That's what Tony's doing right now. This is Stunning Digital Photography, a general photography book. We have our Lightroom book. That's being signed as well. We even have a buying guide. People always ask us, what camera should I get if I'm doing this? Which tripod do you recommend? We have an entire book with all of the gear that we recommend and we update it regularly for free. Our shirts are also on sale. Stay focused. We have the blue and the gray. These are locally screen printed. They're not mass produced. They're high quality. They're not like that rough, thick cotton. They're very soft, stretchy, flexible, beautifuls. I love it. We also have our presets for sale. We made Lightroom presets, and in one click, you can make your pictures look so much better. I did the creative side. I did split toning, made some brushes for you to improve the skin on your subjects and things like that. It's a really well-rounded preset pack, and it's on sale right now.
50% off.
50% off. Let's get into the other Cyber Monday deals that we found.
The first one I want to plug is this Joby little tripod.
We're using it right now.
Yes, and it's at an incredible price right now, so use that link to get it.
It's the lowest price I've ever seen it. There are multiple sizes, so there's like a 50% discount, a 65% discount, and it all depends on the weight that you need it to support. We also want to show you the tech that we just love and use all the time, so come on, we'll show you how we use it. What's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 47 degrees.
You have the Amazon Echo for sale in every single size. I gave one of these to Tony last year, and now we have one in almost every single room. They turn our lights on and off. It's our entertainment system for playing music. It reads me recipes. They're on sale. Check it out. The next tech that we use every day is the Nest doorbell cam. It tells us when people are at our door, which is nice, especially since we're always getting expensive photography packages. No one's gonna steal anything without us knowing.
For Black Friday, we had a ton of awesome Sony camera deals. Most of them are gone, but a couple are still left. If you want the Sony a7R III, it's at a huge discount. So is the Sony a9. That's $1,000 off, and those are two of the best cameras ever made. You can also get a D750 or D500 SLRs, great for pro photography with the vertical grip from Nikon at a huge discount. For 15 bucks, you can get a 5-in-1 reflector that lets you control the light. Awesome deal. We have all the expensive drones, but the one I use the most is the Parrot Anafi. It's only 550 bucks right now. That's crazy. The reason I love it is it never gets the props in the shot, something you can't say about any of the DJI drones, and it's small enough to fit in a bag like this. You do not have to travel with a charger because it USB charges. That means you literally just travel with this and you can get awesome 4K aerial footage.
I use my Wacom Intuos every single day, and in fact I get a lot of pain from my mouse, so I end up using this as a mouse as well, even when I'm not editing. It's $50 off right now, and this one is 8 years old, so if you like it, it's gonna last. It's a good deal. We also use a Blue Yeti mic. It's perfect for podcasting, and this is a really good deal right now too. It looks nice too. Links for all of this stuff is in the description down below. That's over. We're gonna get back to our podcast soon and our reviews. Thanks so much.